Are you trying to shut up your whiny kids and don't have time to cook before work? Well, get someone else to cook this for you. Start by following the directions on the package of whatever rice you like. Next, heat up some chili in a pan, followed by a can of refried beans. Add some cheese. Now, let's build these suckers before your kid throws his video game controller across the room. Add your favorite green sauce. Top with your favorite cheese. Bake at 350 for about 20 minutes or until bubbly and heated through. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. See you in the next video.